Yeah.
Na o buy class
O council boko.
Na honorable director. And asama ya pass here babedwen and say the creative art industry.
Yeah.
I say you know saying na your creative art industry and problems being and your creative art industry and quite ben so na you bit me afa so and they have solved problems.
Very much motive for you and no fun. I will be my agenda. And I have been going for you. The term is creative art, the MZ, make us say, actually. Because we as a Fanania idea, a more amounting point entertainment, where music and movies. Minstrel can, Yana, the Canadian was, but to read the whole weather, the quantity from do a try. Nigeria for number one. More BT Bollywood.
Yes.
More BT Bollywood. Okay. Government in the buy good na Jonathan no buy of a man industry because Ghana government Nigeria too close because over Nigeria for yes started moving on ba nothing we see and then number 4 into DNA train the be ma country request because there be a academy entertainment ya dey into me ya no be akase for minister no feminist be the system this okay because as if no kata is here ya kase obi ekwado phone we okay on go talk cassette
all right director Mr. ube hold you kakra we na ye wo enu be ma Frechi Mensa e wo line no so Frechi Mensa ye wo line no so ye pese ye ne no etwetwe enkomo kakra na ya san back to director. Hello, good afternoon. Any my friend. Yes, I am. I am so. Na welcome where. Okay. Hago boko. Yes, we go so hanum say ye kremu. Okay. 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 Alright, so we na omasobete. Na honorable ye freo ewia we a enye bone. And say this week you na ye say especially on social media #fix the country #fix the country na ewia we wo adance entertainment arena so no ye bisa say ye entertainment industry no how can we say quite ben so ye bit me afa so EDCC industry no it's the moment you can see power the likes of Lord Kenya Mone Adiana it is say Mark Okrekumante echo government mono saying na ususu say obetimi aboa ye creative art industry
yo I don't do the brain but yet I think we class I don't want to go and the job that I don't give you know
yeah
yeah you know about my husband consider you really good year now but then it's already good year that's it but what come to know that will be really kind and I take it out for taking out you know what I love to do then you didn't and what come to say I'm not sure I do my okay so you know what is your plan and it's not you win the day I mean you 21 year old you know what that be out on the one I'm buying a million that I'm a crap for so but alone I don't know what to say on the quick last day I'm fighting que people going on part of the sorting so you get what come on to you can pay no I don't give it to me and it's like that I don't know about it now Oh, the name of
entertainment industry ne kwanya ye befa so asolve
South America no say Africa no yana kasandos in terms of action yana industry because they be kasebe industry na on sana me bana kasane ya kasa ye ma package over African countries in the baba te enko a ebia government misa baba na fa we se industry be ya ise nya kamu seriously kan ne kamu so bi no ko to party but on say Nigeria for because of some bad issue from on ba nafti on issue do koyo model ya on perform transit planning and say bia on so no bank for bi di makokraku ke safon na sofolina nya bit makasa but say we team bi transit planning for the country because say obiara can obiara ndi we cannot afar we cannot I say on perform transit planning ni wia the result na government say research here and see na say fa because they be America they be say entertainment dey na debate me twom da on say they be kan ya on say film industry no film no system na sisa because we are film no never say perform because it change from CD to other resources bit my is in here you will man say see ni kuma film mo ye no on say series dey you adom when I'm director they say I'm from the because you quite better so why na recently because e kwa no on say na me ba na kan no be you events in boy pa TV gusu na ni 7 o'clock bia Monday to Thursday you need na paja because we series na we Ghana stars ni na o nyina from that place we will be this Jackie appear do for love ba o nyina adeku concert party nti say series ya start bet me apaja but ebe bua won say all kasa individuals yere film say organ na independent filmmakers yenya na abua ka government no kwanga film industry no but we ya in control bi but we only present ya and say wabua film industry na kasa kwa me na see Ghana film industry ni o film ni o industry we film say fencing atoluso Ghana film dia there are so many films on way but government ni ba na automatic reform na studio also be that show ni on shoot no ti die nti no no say ono nim die no kwa me ho say ade we no be industry no o man go for oni group ni pe mi san call India ko so ade yo ko village the late any o ekwaza Tony Rebelo ono mo ko India go so ade ba ya on bibie na ti o mo cheche ko fo ade so government nim say adno o nim say enya de be go an confirm go so ade but apart from no asa kwa me mo no aka nyina man na go film industry but film industry ade a ebo country because on the first what Nigeria near we are Nigeria for example but because of film the star or Africa can't respect of bad Nigeria because ubo Ghana film crowd Bollywood na events Nollywood never come respect because and so on behave this one on behave this film
and director me ba ye sign wo ye nua be ma Austin Wood e wo line also ono so ye no e ba be twetwe enkomo Yenya Bema Austin Yamawaha.
There are so many enema with my industry being said maybe to go country be said investors will be cinema and get but government looking at the investors and no be cinema so the ya even you be cinema make say you sinigu azi but covered no man ya tum but there are so many places omo bia me fan say maybe it's a solom kwasori and I maybe to me no me say cinema no crowd see because one antenna on posa what if I can have now the news massage the government baby a umbi na film because omo ha cinemas ni adi na omo boka so many long time mo dey to cinema mo ni adi am for blue cine go na cine so twa to na cha na style the government na bebo omo because me to me yeah see implement and then don't ko ya me to me na maso bi ni because we cinema yan kasa individuals be cinema kwa na we depend on reform the government no discave room nanka e bit ma fe npa bia mo so me bia me fe zeka youth employment ke so beti the government no bomb because na make us Nigeria for is ko do ho we dia o me no in terms of quality in terms of quantity sin do o me every year be as new release nyi is go nearby country no man chassis. And dear no more industry no ye tibechi. So at the government no a bit national 1 10 as no tea. Yes, if you have ever said Magokuno, me pushing to only music industry because more.
Yeah.
Only series of very fewer.
Yeah.
The fewer are not involved because we are man to any names in Papa to say, be advanced so be self money. See, anything I'm so petty, my friend of music for on the country part and yet singing for one year. All my art come, mobile training, on trans and no and near my high. We got in the home to me, no, the government betty or more from one because they are good crackers at the Sika maintenance business. Tis a government a banner or banner don't visit the high, visit my comment to the up here.
Okay. Now, my next question I'm going to be about impact. Impact Mark Okueku on the creative arts industry. Because Sanya now kind of say he's more into music, but then on Felice Sanya also work creative arts industry because Osha creative arts movie industry, you know, most of problems, you know, are similar. Problems I want him say, you know, the same problems I want him saying. You know, saying now Felice say Mark Okueku binya impact industry, you know, person.
It's and I'm a say Titi Mombe research because I'm going to be just now. I say a pen go for no deals in his was where you will say a coansa or Ghana or Tiasi. We on a TV Africa, formerly on the TV Africa in there. Listen, Lemsel and whoever talk. Almost she will also she boom. It was ever for then before then, no more a film idea of Africa near the more almost one deals in. I'm a face said before from no transia. And never a face with me. Aye, never can't myself. And the essay bank of one was in moon name to form pen for no transit because so you know, no can. They be at the South Africa problem. Yeah, history. They be a toilet and work as a now one transit and plan as well. And they're possible. Did I say, so Pennsylvania, a minister, only one to be Minister, some said we be going on. Okay.
It's also the page news of promoting other way. What yes?
Other pieces.
I'm out for contacting me for adverts.
Okay.
So far as say, contacting me for adverts, just so my acceptable like. Just so miss me page no. Nyam for school be free so what you saying? To miss me the do my grand.
How did you not just scaffold over?
And I saw big me post what they were brown.
Yeah.
Me now. So maybe buy.
Okay. It's you know, yes, starting to make a movie about your acting.
Yeah.
But now, we don't see any we don't see you doing you who say oh yeah, acting be an army. Besides, we jai acting now.
Yeah, series. Be na million kind.
Okay.
Say you know your party. We are starting carry. And no crack counting na me ba. Kumasi, you know you so I hear them be free. Ever out. Like our out, but to be unsure your party TV. Yeah.
Okay. And you know, moving away from that, yeah, member, yeah, failed music industry. Yeah, what my name is now. Who feel say because what was music industry for a while for at least 3-4 years, right?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. And you know, being what about industry for at least 3 years. Nema ben na ufili se enkuye wo industry ni mo as artists emboamo ena kwan ben so na yebitimi afa ede as solve so problems. Challenges ben na ufisi as
challenges dey be great. It's a corona abeya yentumi mo shows ni ade and unim say na they were paying other countries, they were paying artists for some money.
They paid.
They paid, yeah. What was it? Your friends said,
stimulus.
Stimulus package.
Yeah, stimulus.
Near to other countries, no. You treat your mom, Bagana high and San Kebi.
Yeah.
But I say, but we mean that it's your tax because maybe me show. nipa na or ye show no what better concept baby or GN no we ska amount for be better nam on better drinks the autumn salary the autumn and nam no otua tax what you say nti ye tua tax in some ways but Scabi say be bana Ghana yes and kebi ya na ye bibia on our own what you say corona so by both shows it to me she what you say who releasing you kwa na your promotion gidi kwa na ska no nya le ba because for both show when yes and what you say the challenge is the face with brain okay
Intino is going to see the government and abino and chese you who say I'm can this about anyum to phone abino and shada farm hosa cause
the news in baba debate no so na e bia fancy bia minister na etinya sem mo sen debate kura nti wono na wono so akwere sem fancy music point you feel say one over come on me gye say come music for nti ese pen for the chance na obi say bandes dey no we sin mo on bet me akusu bi safu nya o bet me man advice say ni e be bo feminist na cause because si bia cinemas na dia man for me say obi an go ga ben say yen ka say ga me music say ntwe ma but so mo bia cinemas na because in Nigeria mo ba be 3 to 400 cinemas ah we cinema with me be no sikenya ha Ghana Nigeria no government with mass money Panama for research come on fast so with me so see because on ba e be sua cinema na I didn't even to go from Columbus and come fast. Let it be a 2 years. I'm a look as I got him first year, 4 years. I can't got was and the Kusi. Was a Austin Cassidy was it drew 10 years do as a campaign never few minutes before. It didn't find the distribution near my catching on a piano wine and you call me no good actually. A area you witness in check. It is hard to have a government tremble. Na me feel say few minutes we movie me dey make because one more and no bit me pay your man more than the other way
na ahaye adanse 98.9 FM na wasugu so no baby aye dream maybe be phone lines into no obetimi afre na also watch our game 0322498220 0322498220 and afi 0551 442 000 0551 442 000. Director, now o share no na o kase o work projects are o ye with me aka more about projects no then na efa ho any senior isiko.
Yeah, I say yeah, where say yeah memory. Because we see I me come me dey produce this here addition say me no repa you hear say say yeah aye culture we season na be na brofo ba praying you make sure say you can confirm the be seen
that time me buy your call our phone so you fan na hello yeah patrol di ni baby akasa free
install papa
yo nana man
be da mo ateni jumedi agbo mo ya ni katakaka ebepa director so the bidi papa doctor be the tell that roganti really share one on one so as to the debate director the chapa udi na ufim so the chapa Jackson Singalese money no point but na o tu ko kan boy bit ya ka Jackson ko bi krumwa e di na so ebe the Jackson here there were two why shining star more since they we want yes and the na e go no pa
okay nana ya da won so wase now your next caller hello yeah patrol di ni baby akasa free you can't say? Okay. Okay, yeah, it's you.
Moving the nature attack. My woman will need for the while the way one you be a candidate.
Yeah, that was it. Director, Aha, nti na o kasa fa project na o ye no.
Yeah, na me ka say e be say ye wi mfi echi because me ka say ni so na ade no de ya na isi ko school ni isi tete ni ade no ene no difference be braba mu nti ye no e decide say this time ne be say go back to our roots nti we series ya e tete amamra ni use no e bia na ye o tete na amamfo we fi because we isi ya that's we from US so say ye fuma e twitwi na bomba because nkwala go ha wona buchire o ma Ghana den no mo de chem kasa because ni ema obiti mi hwesi ni no akoya de bi because de bia me kasa hwe sini o mi from so o mi TV so there are so many movies o mi nsin so nkwala so isua because initially na ehun say e bia Ghana obi bo krono wiada but Nigeria movies o mi ye two ni ade na man ko ehun say no say from mitima bo krono wiada because obi so too
okay
so this ni be yi o TV so de be chechire nkwala na mo so asua ni bi tiembeki sure say ade a ye be no e be ya de be tete nkwala
okay
because we Ghana ha ne be bia na metima ko but two movies na man for tourist attraction ye be attraction ye we be ko waterfall there are so many places film man be bia no ne woni ade ni nyina church o sin se be ya obi so e wa buchi obon se oh say Ghana say it because two movies na ma rofo no bi enya adwemi won se we say e kra no e bia because rofo no e de atom trim say e kra no obu ansem rofo no ade be shakora wo de betene film call na ka no tina wo broni bo wo bibi ni brada be bi o se no wo bibi ni no so because e bia na ba ka ten so before o mi papone o mu de nia so but two movies no movies na say ne ti no so aso ne ma Ghana na me Ghana o bibi se o ha ne ma ko he ne bi ha ma ko waterfall bo ha nti from the ton country the government mo bi o bi o de bo e bia no making sure say sini o mi in TV so no make more sense because yes ni we see in TV so because there are so many TV stations last me try you come as we say for e wi o ten level we no big senior there na me wa kwala ofi so na e bia na dey see na say to TV station be we no mo to e na mo to e tinga be bia see akon ye pen for na so mo trans mo ye ne ma bi mo hwe ne ma bi ye ntwema bi nsi ana Ghana sa na tie se ba bi kura amna tu opon mu age se panimia be nyas ne tiansa e bo ni nyas ne tiapa de che no go se tu obroni nya sa odwena he 20 years later the plan ni na ba ye ade hye ya ne agi tie ben for no mo go film industry de e ton man e ton ma pa fi se e na aboa ma countries be because me nkwara de na me hwesi ni na ti India film Chinese film American movie na me ko America da but me titi wo nyina true movies ne de ho India film ye de ho India ye de ho America se do mu hu sitie it is a government babo a omwa ye nka so mfanis camera but ade bi a me face obetima yama aboa film industry na ma eni be bia nya dwuma bia no government ni fere ni o mera ni wo pa ye se bedru abato so no be fa se nkudi e chego campaign e bia no yes nchen because nya me MPP ni ndisi go MPP ni ndisi o mi na bi we go fa bi ma na go ko veje ko ale ntina mo ko fo mun se your fans dia ale ntina mo so mo ami nya adwuma ni
okay yo ene na director ye beda wase se ne ene de as nkomo bebre o ha o si di ntino ye be san fro na ya san ne wa kiken komo ntino ye da se pan se ye to nsa fre o bae na oni abedi enko ye da wase pan ya me sha
me so da mase me cha mo fa ko ju ma jima ene adamkwamfo nyina ina bae cha kit ofu omina adamkwamfo nyina me che obi bia ena skill official mama ya ha obia me che obi bia onyo bia me tina bondi bia mo bondi jon fenche me na e da ofro so mesa ba because is it team de me kan bi so e boa me so enche bia enche ma me bi so me be school ha me trading kwara o
okay yeah that's na any advance
is it move o bi so ko ba you
The night is so young, you have a party, I'm a dancing. Across the fire, but I Amaga.